Most businesses notice their IT systems only when something goes wrong, but by then, productivity has already been affected, customers are impacted, and valuable time has been lost. A slow system, unexpected downtime, or a critical security issue, even a small IT problem can create major business disruptions. That's why proactive IT support matters. With LDT Technology's IT support and maintenance services, businesses can keep their systems secure, optimized, and running smoothly. From continuous monitoring and regular updates to issue resolution and performance optimization, we help prevent problems before they impact your operations. Because great IT support isn't just about fixing issues. It's about ensuring your business never slows down because of them. Reduce downtime, improve reliability, focus on growth, connect with LDT Technology, and build a stronger IT foundation for your business.